Hi all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share my travel experience from USA to India. So I had my flight from Washington DC IAD to Delhi directly, and then I had to take a domestic connection from Delhi to Coimbatore. I booked my tickets through Air India, and before one day of my journey, I got a call from Air India staff to be present at the airport check-in counter before 4 hours of my journey time. So usually for international journey it's 3 hours, but I was asked to present there before 4 hours because they had to do some extra checks due to COVID-19. So we have reached the airport before 4 hours and there was a separate counter near Air India ticketing counter. In that counter we have to sign an undertaking form. So this is the undertaking form that you have to submit in the counter. You can also do this online and take a printout of this for each and every individual passenger. So if you don't have this form, you will be provided with this form in the airport and you will be asked to fill this form in the airport. I'll provide the link for this undertaking form in the description below. So once I have submitted my undertaking form, our temperature has been recorded and all our COVID-19 negative test reports were checked. They were especially looking for the word RT-PCR word in the test report. So make sure you have RT-PCR word in your COVID-19 negative test report. And then a sticker was put on all our passport as a confirmation. Then we have to proceed to the ticketing counter to get our boarding passes. So in the ticketing counter, all the foreign nationals were checked for their OCA card or valid visa. So if you have your old OCA card which is not linked to your passport, then they are asking for your old passport. So make sure you carry both old and new passport in case if you are using your old OCI. So this is strictly checked at the ticketing counter. So once they have checked all your information and self-reporting form, you will be provided with your boarding pass. So I got my boarding pass until Coimbatore and all my luggages were checked in until Coimbatore, since I have booked my domestic flight under same PNR. After reaching Delhi, we have to collect our baggages and finish the custom procedure, and then we have to recheck in the baggages for our domestic flight. So Air India staffs were very keen about the weight of your check-in luggages. If you carry any extra weight, then you will be asked to pay for the same. So once all the procedures are done, we are provided with our boarding passes and we reached the gate without any issues. All the adults are provided with face shield before we board the airline. Our flight is at 11:30 am and we boarded the airlines on time. All are provided with one water bottle in their seats and the entertainment unit was working fine. They had very limited options. So if you are traveling with kids, please carry your own iPad or tablet, and we were not provided with any blanket or pillow. So make sure you carry blanket if you are traveling with kids. So the flight takeoff time was on time and we were provided with our first meal after half an hour. So this is our first meal. Kids were also provided with the same meal. They did not get any kids special meal. As usual, this had a sweet chicken gravy, ghee rice, potato, bread and butter, blueberry yogurt cup and a pre-packed salted peanut. The meal was not bad. So after 4 hours, we were provided with a snacks bag which contains juice, chips, chocolates, biscuits and nuts in it. So this was like a snack. Next we were provided with second meal after 3 hours of our snack packet. So this had a bread, butter, blueberry yogurt cup, chicken biryani and a pre-packed peanut. If you need any coffee or tea, you had to reach the pantry to ask for your coffee and tea. So we reached Delhi without any issues on time. When we came out of the airline, our COVID-19 test reports were checked and boarding passes were stamped. So since this is my direct flight, I don't have to undergo COVID test again. So if you are coming through Middle East or Europe, then you have to undergo COVID test again in Delhi airport or airport of entry. All foreign nationals had to fill an immigration form. So they had a separate counter for OCA holders, kids, other foreign nationals and Indian passport holders. Since ours is the only airlines landed at that time, immigration was quick and it was not crowded. And then we had to claim all our baggages and go through the custom procedure. I had my connecting flight after 24 hours. So I have booked a Holiday Inn hotel which is inside Delhi airport for that night stay. So if you have a long layover for your connecting flight like mine, then you have lot of options like Holiday Inn hotel, airport lounges and even sleeping pods. So you can choose according to your duration. So once you finish your custom procedures and come out, you will find Holiday Inn hotel self desk. You have to make a call from the hotel self desk to the hotel front desk. They will verify your confirmation and booking, and they will send a pickup person to take you to the hotel. So I had paid nearly 15,000 for one night stay, and they provided complimentary breakfast. So if you need any help in carrying your luggage, the staffs were very helpful and friendly. So this is the hotel room where we had stayed. So if in case you need any food from the food court, you had to purchase it before entering the hotel. Once you enter the hotel, you will not be able to come out of the hotel wing. So make sure you have everything beforehand. I had my domestic flight next day at 10:30 a.m. and breakfast was served in the hotel from 6:30 a.m. itself. So I reached the gate without any issues, and the hotel staffs helped me with my luggage until the check-in counter. Since I had checked in all my baggages and had my boarding pass till Coimbatore, I need not to check in again. I had only to drop off my bags in the check-in counter. So in the check-in counter, only my boarding passes were verified. No COVID-19 test reports or self-reporting forms were asked. Every adults were provided with face shields in the gate, and my flight is a 4-hour flight from Delhi to Chennai and Chennai to Coimbatore. So in between I was provided with one meal. So we reached Coimbatore airport on time, and nobody checked for e-pass or COVID-19 test reports in the Coimbatore airport, and we walked out within 5 minutes. So our journey was very smooth and we did not have any hiccups in our journey. So make sure you have your COVID-19 negative test report, your self-reporting form and your undertaking form, hard copies for all the passenger including kids. So if you don't have any hard copies, the airport staffs will be asking you to take a hard copy in the airport itself. So it's better to have hard copies to avoid last minute hassles. I hope this video is helpful. If you find this video helpful, please like and share the video. If you have any other doubts, please leave in the comment section. I'll try to answer your doubts, and subscribe to the channel for further updates. Thank you.